Hi everybody, it's Dana. I'd just like to jump on and make this really quick video. You guys are doing great with your introductions for the week. I'd just like to show you now how to actually comment on your videos, right? On the videos that that we're posting. So I'm going to go to Fran's video, and would start playing, and you would normally listen to the end of Fran's video. Now, to respond to Fran's video and make a comment, what you would simply do is this. Go down to the bottom of the screen. You see this plus sign here, right, in that talk bubble. And you're going to click on here to make a comment. Now, there's several ways in VoiceThread that you can make a comment or add something to the VoiceThread. This ABC part is text, right, so to type a text comment. We prefer that you don't do that, because VoiceThread allows you to be more interactive. And the text comments, if they get long, they get kind of wonky and they're hard to read. This is the phone-in comment, and you can actually click on the phone and type in your cell phone number. Mine's already in there, because I've done this before. And click call me, and when it does, it'll actually call your phone. And you can leave like a voicemail message, and VoiceThread picks it up. But I don't want to do that for Fran's. So I'm going to come back here. And I can use just the record an audio comment. If I click on that, I'll get an audio comment on the video. Or I can click here, and that's the video, right? And that'll give us audio and video commentary. This part here is to upload a document. So if I click on that, you'll see a screen open here, and then I could upload a document, or not a file, but you could upload like a Word document or a PDF. Okay, we're not going to do that. But again, here, to make a video comment, you would click on the video recorder. You can audio comment on Fran's video or any of the other videos. You would just click on audio record. Give it a shot. This is one of the things you're going to want your students to do when you're having them create VoiceThread videos, is probably to engage with one another by making comments on the video, right? And you would set some guidelines for them. In my courses, what I tell them is I want them to make an audio or an audio video comment, not a text-based comment, again, because they're kind of cumbersome to read. And I want them to be able to see each other and hear each other. That's optimal in the course. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about commenting on the introductory VoiceThreads, please feel free to reach out to Fran or to me. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of the week.